Hello everyone. Today we'll learn how to multiply numbers with nines. Okay, I'll give you an example. Suppose we are multiplying 45 with 99. Okay, this is using Vedic Math. Okay, reduce one digit from 45. You get 44. Subtract the number 45, that is 4 from 9, that is all from 9 and the last digit from 10. So 9 minus 4 is 5, 10 minus 5 is 5. So this is your answer. In modern math, how do we do it? We do it in 3 steps, right? That is 45 times 99. 5 times 9 is 45, 4, 36, 40, and the same thing here. So now we add it, so we get 4455. So both are same. What happens in modern math is that the kids, they forget to skip this place. They write the 5 here. So that creates one error. And they have to do 3 steps. And the kids may do error while doing addition. And so the first one is the error and the speed. In Vedic math, we did it in one step and less time. We took less time. In modern math, the time increases, and then that you have to check whether your answer is right or wrong once or twice. But here, when you check, it's easy. Fine. So let us do another example. Another example with 3 9's. Okay. So 4, 5, 3 times 9, 9, 9. What happens here is subtract 1. So you get 4, 5, 2. Subtract 4, 5, 3 from all from 9, last from 10. So your answer would be 5, 4, 7. You can check it using calculator. So in modern math, you have to do how many steps? 4 steps. So this is modern math. And this is Vedic math. Okay, 9 3s are 27, 2, 47, 4, 36, 40. The same number will be repeated. Add them. 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, 8 plus 4 is 12, 1, 5 and 4. It is the same answer. So here 3 steps and 1 step. So here I had taken only 1 step. And the same way error would happen if a student writes the 7 over here in this place. Some students, they will write the 7 here and here also they may miss. And the students, they will not write it in a straight line. Some kids, okay, not all the kids, I'm not mentioning all the kids. Some kids, they will not write it in a straight line. So if you don't write it in a straight line, when you add it, it will go wrong naturally. And kindly check the time I used for while using Vedic method and while using modern method. Okay, thank you for watching. You can use the same 9's. You can use any number of 9's and use the same method. Subtract 1 and then the number should be subtracted all from 9 and last from 10. Okay, see you in another class. Thank you.